Conversion of whole numbers in base 10 to base 8. Let's learn how to convert from base 10 to base 8. Here is an example. Convert 88 base 10 to base 8. Solution. To do this, we divide 88 repeatedly by 8 until further division is no longer possible. Then we'll take the remainders upwards. Here is how to do it. Draw a table. We place our number 88 at this side. Then the base we are converting it to 8 at the other side. Then we'll divide. 8 in 88, you have 11, remainder 0. We divide again by 8, 8. 8 in 11, 1, remainder 3. Divide again by 8, 8. 8 in 1, that's 0, remainder 1. Here, further division is no longer possible. Then we'll take the remainders upwards. Therefore, our 88 base 10 equals 1, 3, 0 base 8. And that's how to convert 88 base 10 to base 8. Thank you.